we're at, let's just start it here, it's easier. Give me your ball and tiptoe. Grasping of the bird's tail. Out with your heel and out with your hand. So you know that the bottom hand is the hand that moves outward. You're on tiptoe. Your left foot comes out with your heel at the same time your left hand comes out. And your right hand sits at your upper thigh. You flip, parallel hands, yin and yang. Bring down, pull down the tail. Look back. As you look back, your foot of your left foot comes up because you're on your heel. You're going to turn, you're going to square before you actually put pressure on your wrist. Separate, sit back, up and forward. Drop your left hand, turn your left foot. Hold your ball and tiptoe. Grasping the bird's tail on the right now. Out with your right heel, right hand. Lift. Pull down the tail. Look back. Turn. Square. Then contact and push at your wrist. Separate. Sit back. Up and forward. Drop your right hand. Turn your right foot. Cup. Parameter 2. Middle. Look back at your backhand. Single. Alright. Hold your ball on tiptoe. Left hand on the bottom. Grasping of the bird's tail. Out with your heel. Up with your hand. Stretch. Flip your left hand. Pull down the tail. Use your heel now because you're shifting your weight. Look back. Turn. Square. Contact and push at your wrist. That front foot comes down. Separate. Sit back. Push up and forward. Drop your left hand. Turn your left foot. Hold your ball on tiptoe. Grasping the bird's tail on your right. Up with your right heel, right hand. Stretch. Flip. Pull down the tail. Look back. Turn square contact. Push at your wrist. Separate. Sit back. Up and forward. Going on. Drop your right hand, turn your right foot. Cup. Cup. Hook. Left foot out. Single weight. Okay? And you can improve on. Okay? See how many things you can improve. So from single weight, from the grasping of the bird's tail. On your toe, left hand on the bottom. Out with your heel, up with your hand. Stretch. Flip. Pull down the tail. Look back. Shifting of weight, you know that? Turn, square, contact and push at your wrist. Separate. Sit back. Up, forward. Drop your left hand, turn your left foot. Hold your ball on tiptoe. This time your right hand is on the bottom to allow you to grasp the bird's tail on the right. Out with your right heel, open right hand, square. Flip. Pull down the tail. Look back. Turn, square, contact, and push at your wrist. Separate. Sit back. Up and forward. Drop your right hand, turn your right foot, cup, and a 2, cup. Make that hook hand, watch it. Follow your hand with your face, single weight. to show you that it's a prelude to cloud hands. Cup, parameter 1. Cup, close 2. Cup, open 1. Cup, close 2. Cup, open 1. Cup, close 2. Second, single wave. Apply the pressure, separate, sit back, up and forward. Drop your right hand. So can you see that the hand and the feet are mimicking each other? Drop your right hand, turn your right foot, cup, parameter 2, cup, following that back hand, making that hook, at the same time bringing your hand closer to your face, near your mouth and out. At the same time, your hands go out, your body stretches out for single wave. Okay? Up and forward. Drop your right hand, turn your right foot, cup, cup, that hook, out with your left heel, left hand, single wave. Drop your right hand, turn your right foot, cup, parameter 2, cup, look at that back hand, hook it, out with your left hand, left heel, push, straighten out that back foot.